luktar chili.
We're here at Gröna Lund. Let's go to Monster first run, I guess. We're now in the queue for front row at Monster as a first ride of the day. Excited?
Yep.
It's gonna be very fun. Front row POV. Let's go! Oh my god. It's actually better than I remember it. I would say it's a pretty solid ride. The forces are very good, obviously. Not as intense compared to all the other inverts, but it's fun. So it might seem a bit random that my brother just randomly has to eat a chili while riding Icaros. And the backstory is basically that me and my brother did this challenge where the loser had to eat a chili and ride Icaros at the same time. Ended up not actually finishing the video because I don't think it turned out too well, but now you know why at least.
I don't want to. I'm going to, when it tilts down, I'm going to throw up. All of the stuff we're going to carry with me. So I'm going to get all over my face. Yep.
Excited, Adrian?
Yeah, no. I really hope that you just bought a paprika and it just looks like a chili. Oh f***, det är jättestark ju!
Jag fann Torran! Kanske säger helt chili.
I am still in shock.
Water! Water!
We're now gonna head over to Twister, which I think is my second favorite ride here, except Icaros and maybe Master as well. So yeah, let's go. So we're now gonna do front row here on Twister. So yeah, I remember this coast being pretty fun. So yeah, let's go. Woo!
My mouth has finally stopped burning. It's just my lips tingles a bit now.
What did you think of Twister?
Twister was rough in the best possible way.
Yeah, I respect that. I thought the same thing. Front row.
Yeah, you said it. I just took the words out of your mouth. So.
Yeah, basically. We're on our way to the most unnecessary and worst ride. What ride is it?
It is Balder.
No. It's insane. So painful. Hello. god.
Oh.
Oh my god, no. Oh! Woo!
I will not.
Woo! Oh!
Oh no, fuck.
Oh! The collarbones hurt so bad. Yep. Flashbacks. Oh, I broke my collarbone 3 times if you didn't know, guys. Yeah, it's like the outside. 0 out of 10. I hate it.
Hey, me. Hey.
Okay, so don't put the fast. The brakes are...
Let's go, guys.
It's a beautiful.
Now då. Yeah!
Stop now.
Oh! Oh yeah.
It's time for lunch.
It's time for lunch. Did you have a good time on the ride? Yeah! So we've stopped at some kebab place to get some food now. Guys, Monster just stuck in place. So yeah, Monster was literally stuck for like 20 minutes and I just filmed the exact moment it started again. We're just about to go on it and I don't think it's gonna be open for a while. Oh, it's going again. Oh. Okay. Yep, we're going up. Adrian! Adrian! Wow, the view is amazing up here. There is this thing again. Oh, it's open, actually. Oh, it's so cold! Woo! This year Gröna Lund has a new attraction called Pumpen, so yeah, let's just go check it out, I guess. I would say Pumpen is a solid family attraction. It has some good forces here and there. I really like the part where it like switches around and like shoots you backwards. So at the end of today we're just going to do rewrites and everything we've already done, and yeah, that's basically it.